Hey guys, what's going on? How's every day? How's every afternoon? This is where the old farm used to be, but we're not vlogging that. We're gonna vlog this, I believe, 2002 VW Jetta, or a Volkswagen Jetta. I don't know if it starts or not, but it was sitting in the junkyard for so long. So, looks like it's got a 5-speed auto. No bottom seat thingy. Don't know what that is. 6 of 10. Wow. It's the GL model, whatever that's supposed to mean. Single muffler. Is it unlocked? It is. Wow. Some beer. Nothing on the clock, but it probably clocks out at 100. But yeah. No key in the ignition. None of that. 5-speed auto with no overdrive. Back seats. All that stuff. Fun brake. These are the hazards. It's a giant ass button. It's a not a diesel. Turn signals. Looks like this piece is missing. And guys, I'm not too fond about base model, as you guys can see, it's the base model Volkswagens. But what it does have is this sunroof. I love this red color. Just put a lowering kit on here, put a slightly bigger engine, because I'm guessing this has a between a 1.5 and a 1.6, I'm guessing. Comment down below. It also looks like some inside's white right here. The color's fading away. I'm guessing this is a 95. I'm guessing, but I'm looking at the VIN. VIN. This is a 96. 96. Okay, it's not that old. It's older than me, but yeah. It's cute. It's so cute, despite the 20 suspension and stuff like that. And oh, guys, did you see that? Watch. Oh yeah, that's 20 suspension, but it's more squishy on this side, which is a little odd. Excuse me, getting something out of my shoe. But yeah, this thing doesn't look half bad, and not the original hubcaps, but something. Kids, don't drink and drive. I know you're in a subdivision and stuff, but I'm like, don't be dumb. Don't be stupid. Don't be dumb. This is a trunk release. Do you have a trunk release? Of course you don't, because this is Euro. We take a look under the hood. Oh, it's not a 2-polar, it's a 1-polar. I don't know why it doesn't want to open. But yeah, guys, 1996 VW Jetta.